Man Joseph Gentz is ruled competent to stand trial for the murder of Jane Bashara. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Stephen Clark.
And I'm Carolyn Clifford. The ruling is bad news for Bob Bashara. Gentz has fingered him for masterminding his wife's murder. 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has more on the findings and what it means for the Bashara murder investigation.
I see working out the best deal possible I can for my client. And what the prosecutor decides to do with Bob Bashara is entirely up to them.
Susan Reed's client, Joe Gentz, may be one step closer to testifying against Bob Bashara. Bashara has not been charged with his wife's murder, but his own attorney expects it'll happen. And tomorrow, Gentz will appear in court where a second doctor's opinion will be put on the record. And it's that Gentz is competent to stand trial. And then Gentz's attorney says plea negotiations will begin.
But I had to be certain that he was competent and that this is what he wanted to do.
Right now, Bob Bashara is only charged with trying to hire a hitman to kill Gentz, his former handyman who told police that Bashara forced him at gunpoint to strangle his wife, Jane. David Grimm is Bashara's attorney.
The effort was to make Gentz look more credible, more believable. If he passed 2 tests, that's better than passing 1 test.
I asked Susan Reed if she thinks her client, Joe Gentz, will be a credible witness.
Considering the fact that they've arrested Bob Bashara for trying to put out a hit on him, I think he's going to be a very credible witness. I think that establishes his credibility right there. He's been telling them all along, at least from what the police and everything have said, that Bob Bashara was going to try and kill him.
Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.